Hello everybody, welcome to Amuyamyam's YouTube channel. امروز قراره که با هم در مورد واژه behavior صحبت کنیم. We'll talk about behavior. رفتار به انگلیسی میشه behavior، رفتار کردن behave. میگه دیگه نمیتونم تحمل کنم رفتارتو. I can't tolerate your behavior anymore. I can't tolerate your behavior anymore. You'd better یعنی بهتره change your behavior. رفتارتو تغییر بدی. Change your behavior because چون I can't tolerate or stand your behavior. تحمل کردن tolerate or stand or put up with این سه کلمه و کلمه چهارم bear stand put up with and tolerate. I can't tolerate your behavior. It is unbearable. غیر قابل تحمله. It is intolerable. غیر قابل تحمله. Intolerable, unbearable. میگیم رئیس جمهور، مثلا رئیس جمهور فلان کشور، the president has changed his behavior, but many people are unwilling to accept. رئیس جمهور رفتارش رو تغییر داده. The president has changed his behavior, but many people, خیلی از مردم دیگه مشتاق قبول کردن نیستن. یعنی بی اشتیاقن، بی میلن. They are unwilling to accept and feel احساس میکنن he should resign. باید استعفا بده. ببینیم بچه ها وقتی میگی unwilling یعنی بی اشتیاقن، بی میلن. گاهی اوقات تو بی اشتیاقی برای یادگیری زبان. You are unwilling to learn English. You're not keen on learning English. You are unwilling or you are not keen on learning English. Or you can say, Amuyamyam, I don't feel like practicing English. میگم بیا در کانال یوتیوب من subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch only 3 videos a day در روز to get interested تا علاقه‌مند بشی to get interested in learning English. I don't know why you're criticizing my behavior. نمیدونم چه رفتار من رو داری انتقاد میکنی. I don't know why you're criticizing my behavior. You're not exactly perfect yourself. You're not exactly perfect yourself. تو خودت خیلی کامل نیستی. You're not exactly perfect yourself. You are criticizing my behavior. رفتار من رو انتقاد میکنی. تو باید عذرخواهی کنی. You should apologize for your appalling behavior. ببین رفتاری که دیروز کردی your behavior was appalling یعنی بد بود. Appalling, A-P-P-A-L-I-N-G. Appalling means terrible, shocking, and unpleasant. You can say your behavior was appalling, your behavior was shocking, and it is not acceptable. قابل قبول نیست. Not acceptable. Unbearable. غیر قابل تحمله. You should apologize. You'd better apologize for your bad behavior, for your shocking behavior, for your unpleasant behavior. اینا collocation هایی هستن که در ویدیوهای بعدی بیشتر بهش میپردازم. I will talk about collocations more in my next videos. پس میگیم که criticize انتقاد کردن. Appalling behavior رفتار بد. Your appalling behavior is unbearable. Terry can be a real nuisance in class. دردسره. Nuisance means headache. It causes trouble. دردسرساز. I can't really stand her behavior because I think she can be a real nuisance in the class. But I must say his behavior has improved a lot recently. الان دیگه رفتارش عوض شده، بهتر شده. I'm so happy. مثلا میگی که علی I'm so happy that your behavior has improved recently. یعنی اخیراً رفتارت خیلی بهتر شده. Your behavior has improved recently. I'm so happy to say that. خوشحالم که اینو میگم. اونم میگه I'm so happy to hear that. خوشحالم که اینو میشنوم. Yeah, your behavior has improved a lot. Your behavior has improved a lot recently. دوستان behavior رفتار، behave رفتار کردن. تو وقتی رفتار میکنی when you behave properly درست رفتار میکنی everybody will respect you. همه احترام میزنن. Everybody pays attention. توجه میکنن. Your behavior به رفتارت. You should be very careful. باید مراقب باشی. Your behavior shows your personality. رفتارت نشون دهنده شخصیته. Your behavior shows your personality. Even me, perhaps احتمالاً sometimes گاهی اوقات I behave not properly. درست شاید رفتار نکنم. I should apologize. باید عذرخواهی کنم. I should apologize for my bad or appalling behavior. از رفتار بدم عذرخواهی کنم. I should apologize for my bad or appalling behavior. پس یه واژه یاد گرفتیم. Appalling means terrible, افتضاح. Shocking or unpleasant. کلی مترادف رو براتون میگم چه قشنگ collocation ها رو یاد بگیرید. You learn all these collocations و هر روز یه واژه رو براتون تحلیل میکنم. Every day I will analyze a word that can help you in writing, speaking, IELTS, conversation, and definitely will help you speak English improvisationally. فعل بداهه صحبت کنی. Improvisationally and effortlessly. بی دردسر. پس یه مثال دیگه میگیم insecure family environment. میدونین که بچه ها تحت تاثیر رفتار خانواده هستن. Children are affected. تاثیر میگیرن. Are affected by family environment. محیط خانواده. و اگه محیط خانواده insecure باشه an insecure family environment can only affect a child's behavior in a negative way. رفتار بچه میتونه به یه روش منفی تاثیر بذاره. پس خانواده باید خیلی مراقب باشن. Families should be very careful what behavior they show. چه رفتاری نشون میدن. Because children are affected. In front of the children, در مقابل بچه ها you should behave properly. درست باید رفتار کنید. Especially parents. به خصوص مادر پدرها. Parents should behave properly in front of the kids or children. Because children are affected. تأثیر میگیرن by family environment, by family behavior. رفتار خانواده. پس میگم که یه خانواده محیط خانواده ناامن an insecure family environment can only affect children's behavior, or a child's behavior in a negative way. امیدوارم همه این کلمات رو یاد بگیرید. Learn all these words and use them in everyday conversation. ببین اینجوری استفاده بکن. چه جوری؟ مثلا میگی رفتار my behavior. رفتار تو your behavior is not proper. درست نیست. Change your behavior. رفتار تو عوض کن. Improve your behavior to improve your personality. رفتار تو بهتر کن تا شخصیت تو بهتر کنی. Improve your behavior to improve your personality. Your appalling behavior will affect your personality. رفتار بدت تأثیر مستقیم میذاره رو شخصیتت. Your appalling or your terrible behavior will affect your personality in a negative way. تحمل کردن tolerate, stand, there. دیگه نمیتونم تحملش کنم. I can't tolerate her any more, any longer. دیگه یا I can't tolerate his behavior any longer. میخوام رابطه‌مو باش قطع کنم. I wanna cut my friendship with her. یا my relationship with her. I wanna stop talking to him. و وقتی میگی من باهاش قهرم I'm not on speaking terms with him میگم چرا باهاش قهری why aren't you on speaking terms with him میگی because I can't really tolerate his behavior at the party تو دور همی at the party I can't tolerate or stand his behavior. برو رفتارتو عوض کن بعد بیا دوستیمون ادامه بدیم. Go and change your behavior so we can continue our friendship. Otherwise, در غیر این صورت I won't continue my relationship with you. You have to change, you have to improve your behavior to continue our friendship. خیلی دوستتون دارم. یادتون نره don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lots of wonderful videos are coming out soon. Please share our videos with all your friends who love to speak English fluently. Cheers.